Hello everyone, this is Gabriel coming to you with a case that I'm going to be putting on my Apple Watch 42 millimeter Nike Plus Edition model. And this case is by Spigen. It's a tough armor case that gives your Apple Watch protection. And I'm going to show you how to put it on. And I'm going to put a link below where you can buy this. And if you want any more in-depth review of this case, I have more videos that I'll put in the link below. And let's get into this and show you how to put it on. So first of all, this is the Apple Watch. It has two straps on it. Before you put the case on, you have to take these straps off. So what you do is you put your finger right here and you just slide the strap off. You do the other side and you slide the strap off. Now what you do is, this is my first time putting this case on right here, so let's see how we do it. So we take this and we put this on this side like this where the opening is, and I think you have to push a little hard like this. There you go. And then you push it on the other side like this. That's a little hard. Okay. Well, this is taking a little bit longer than what I thought. I'll get back to you when I have it on and tell you how it was. Okay, so I got the case on. This is what it looks like. The case looks like on the watch. And for me, because this was my first time putting one on, it was kind of hard. It might have been a lot easier than what I was making it out to be, but this is what it looks like. This is the case if you were wanting to buy one. And if you haven't seen my other videos, I've done a extensive review on what this case looks like, what's in the box, how it looks and everything, and talking about it. But this was just trying to put on the case, was just showing how to put on the case. But I didn't do such a good job. I might have scratched my Apple Watch putting it on when I'm trying to use this as a protection. So this is what the case looks like. Hope you like this video. And wait, let's see what the watch bands look like when we put them back on. So we just slide the watch band back on like this. There we go. And then we slide the other watch band on like this. There we go. So that's what the case looks like with the watch bands on. It looks really nice. So I hope you like this video and have a great day. Bye.